Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Zion Reggae, yeah man. Zion Reggae, yeah man. In the darkness, small but true, lantern of faith shine for you, not of
star light the way, shining bright, so pure, so near. Morning star, remove the fear. Babylon night can't stay too long. Morning star, sing righteous song. Every beam a prophecy. Morning star, eternity. Children rise and youth proclaim. Morning star in your name. Elders chant and clap the hand. Morning star across the land. Not of pride, not of greed. Morning star fulfill the need. Every sparkle strong and true. Morning star for me and you. Traveler lost upon the road. Morning star is the load. Ocean wave and valley deep. Morning star awake the sleep. Babylon tower fall apart. Morning star heal the heart. Generation look above. Morning star of endless love. Oh, oh, oh. Prophets speak and poets sing. Morning star, new life bring. Every nation bow and pray. Morning star, guide today. Everlasting, bright and free. Morning star for you and me. From creation till the end. Morning star, remain friend. When the dawn begin to rise, morning star light the skies. Moonlight fade, sun draw near. Morning star still appear. All creation testify. Morning star never die. Eternal promise shining flame. Morning star, exalt your name. Shine, shine, holy star, guide the people near and far. Rise, rise, strong and free. Morning star, eternity. Morning star, bright and true. Guide the world in what we do. Shining light for all mankind. Morning star, forever shine. From the night into the day. Morning star, light the way. Ay, 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 ay. Ganja is my medicine, your mom. Burning bright, never cease, eternal flame, bring we peace. Not of hunger, not of passion, not in hate. Flame create a righteous faith. Every ember pure and strong. Flame of Zion all along. Storm may rage and night may fall. Flame of Jah consume it all. Travel up cold upon the way. Flame of Zion give him stay. Babylon darkness can remain. Flame of Jah break the chain. Generations gather near. Flame of Zion always here. Prophets say and vision grow. Flame of Jah forever glow. Every nation go and pray. Flame of Zion guide today. Everlasting, true and free. Flame of Jah eternity. From creation till the end. Flame of Zion remain free. No corruption, no despair. Flame of Jah is everywhere. Every heart a candle bright. Flame of Zion bring the light. Everlasting holy song. Flame of Jah forever strong. All creation testify. Flame of Zion never die. Burn, burn, holy fire. Lift the people, lift them higher. Glow, glow, strong and free. Eternal flame, eternity. Eternal flame, pure and bright. Guide the people through the night. Burn forever, never gone. Flame of Zion, carry on. From the past into the new. Eternal flame, for me and you.
Na 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 Zion, yeah man. Na 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 Zion, man. Shining bright from heaven high. Zion light will never die. It guide me spirit, guide me soul. Zion light make me whole. No darkness can dim its flame. Zion light exalt your name. Forever glowing, pure and true. Zion light for me and you. Zion light shine so strong. Guide the people all along. Every spark, eternal flame. Zion light call your name. Na 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 Zion, man. Na 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 Zion, man. It bless the children, bless the meek. Zion light all people seek. Forever holy, never gone. Zion light, the one and all. It warmed the heart, it freed the soul. Zion light, me holy goal, forever shining bright and wide. Zion light, always guide. It rise eternal, shine so high. Zion light, fill the sky. No Babylon can hide the ray. Zion light, forever stay. It guide the nations, guide the man. Zion light, Jah plan, eternal glowing, pure and strong. Zion light, all along. When the trumpet sound again, Zion light still remain, forever holy, never fade. Zion light Jahan has made, from dawn of time till judgment day. Zion light show Jah way, eternal flame, forever true. Zion light for me and you, shine high, shine free. Zion light eternity, no night, no chain can dim the glow. Zion light forever show. Zion light shine so strong, guide the people all along. Every spark, eternal flame. Zion light, call your name from age to age, from night to dawn. Zion light keep shining on.
Na na na, Zion reggae, yeah man. Walk the Zion path so true. Jah Jah guide me steps anew. It lead the humble, guide the meek. Zion path all soul shall seek. No Babylon can block the way. Zion path forever stay. It shine with light, it shine with flame. Zion path exalt his name. Zion path, straight and clear. Jah forever walking near. Every step me, soul be strong. Zion path, me walk along. It guide the children, guide the land. Zion path by Jah hand, forever holy, never stray. Zion path the righteous way. It climb the hill, it cross the sea. Zion path eternity, from dawn to dusk, from night to day. Zion path the only way. Me trod the road with the psalm in hand. Zion path across the land. It lift me soul, it heal me mind. Zion path for all mankind. No Babylon can shake me ground. Zion path always found, forever holy, pure and true. Zion path carry you. It shine eternal, shine so bright. Zion path Jah light, forever glowing, never cease. Zion path bring Jah peace. It call the nations, call them home. Zion path, me trudge away.
Ay, ay, ay. Roll a spliff with dry cookies, yeah, man. Mighty ocean wide and deep, secrets holy it does keep. Wave of courage, tide of grace, ocean carry Jah embrace. Babylon fortress can withstand, ocean wash across the land. Every current strong and free, ocean chant eternity. Children play up on the shore, ocean teach them something more. Elders sit and sing a song, ocean keep them spirits strong. Not of conquest, not of war, ocean heal the broken scar. Every drop a holy flame, ocean glorify Jah name. Storm may rise and wind may roar, ocean stand forevermore. Travelers sail up on the wave, ocean lift and ocean save. Babylon ship can't override, ocean carry Zion tight. Generation come and go, ocean of strength still flow. Morning sun reflects so bright, ocean shining Jah light. Moon and star above declare, ocean blessing everywhere. Not of vanity, not of greed, ocean give what people need. Everlasting, strong and true, ocean guide both me and you. Every creature big and small, ocean hold them one and all. Whales sing and dolphin play, ocean chant Jah every day. Prophets walk the sandy coast, ocean praise Jah Holy Ghost. Eternal water never cease, ocean of strength bring peace. Flow, flow, mighty tide, carry people far and wide. Roll, roll, waves so strong, ocean chant Jah holy song. Ocean of strength, deep and free, carry the world in unity. Wash the sorrow, heal the pain, ocean of Zion still remain. Forever mighty, never dry, ocean of Jah most high. Oh yeah, said baby, forever mighty, never dry, ocean of Jah most high.
Ay, ay, ay. Zion Reggae, man. Me step out barefoot na the morning dew. Sunlight bless me skin, Jah light shine through. Me carry me bag, me herb, me drum, me hear the calling Zion train a come. Me heart beat like Naya Bingi sound, me soul levitate, me feet touch ground. This journey deeper than road or mile, it's spirit travel guided by Just smile. All aboard the Rasta train, no ticket, just love we remain. Through mountain mist and valley plain, we ride to Zion in a healing rain. Me light a chalice in a sacred grove, ganja smoke like a holy road.
sound of heartbeats rooted in sacred ground. Me chant psalms with ancient tongue. Me soul sing like it just begun. All aboard the Rasta train. No borders, no locks, no chain. Only love, no need for fame. We ride to Zion in Jah name. It's a journey, not a race. Every soul of them pace. Smoke rise, me find me space. In a Jah light, me see me face. Me no stress, me no fear. Rasta know the eye is near. In a silence, me hear the voice. Say live conscious, live with joy. Oh, me meet a elder on the way. Him say youth, give thanks every day. Life simple like wind and tree. Respect Jah laws and you will be free. Me share me herb, we reason long. Drum beat echo, spirit strong. Me learn more from vibes than book. Zion journey need more than look. All aboard the Rasta train. Through sunshine, thunder, joy and pain. We ride in love, we chant again. To Zion heights where peace remain. Oh, oh, oh. Zion train a roll. Take me soul where love control. Ganja burn and spirit hold. Rasta train a carry me home. Zion reggae, yeah man. Flow so strong from mountainside. River carry Jah pure guide. Every drop a healing stream. Wash away the wicked scheme. Cool the soul, refresh the land. River flow by Jah command. No drought can dry, no wall restrain. River bless the earth again. River of Zion deep and wide. Carry truth and holy tide. Wash the heart, renew the mind. Living water for mankind. It run through valley, run through plain. It feed the seed with gentle rain. It give the thirsty child to drink. Teach the elder how to think. No poison spoil, no hand control. River cleanse the weary soul. From high to low, from shore to sea. River flow eternally. It sing a song of love and peace. It chant until the wars all cease. It whisper, come lay down your fight. Walk in Jah and live in light. It tell the world we live as one. River flow till work is done. Every ripple tell Jah name. Flowing strong with holy flame. Me sit beside the river clear. Feel Jah presence drawing near.
It guide me hand, it wash me face, fill me soul with righteous grace. It teach me how to heal and give, show the path of how to live. No end, no start, just circle run. River flow till time is done. When the nightfall start to rise, river shine beneath the skies. Moon above and stars reflect. River show what soul connect. From first dawn to final day, river never fade away. Living stream of Zion bless, wash the world in righteousness. Flow deep, flow strong, river sing the ancient song. From mount to sea, from birth to end, river of Jah, always friend. River of Zion, deep and wide, carry truth and holy tide. Wash the heart, renew the mind, living water for mankind. From dawn to dusk, from sun to moon, river sing Jah, holy tune. From dawn to dusk, from sun to moon, river sing Jah, 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 Jah.
Aye, aye, aye. Spliff deep in the sweat, kaya man. Blowing free from mountain high, Zion wind across the sky. It carries song, it carry prayer. Zion wind everywhere. No man stop it, no man tame. Zion wind exalt your name, forever blowing, pure and free. Zion wind, eternity. Zion wind, strong and true, carry blessing for me and you. Every whisper, holy sound, Zion wind, all around. Zion wind, call your name, forever moving, never still. Zion wind, Jah will. It bless the valley, bless the sea. Zion wind, for you and me. Eternal flowing, never cease. Zion wind, bring Jah peace. Me hear it chant through the trees. Zion wind, bring Jah breeze. It sing this song, it spread the word. Zion wind, always heard. Forever holy, pure and bright. Zion wind, Jah light. It guide the child, it guide the land. Zion wind, Jah hand. It move eternal, strong and wide. Zion wind, the holy tide. No Babylon can chain the air. Zion wind everywhere. It call the nation, call the earth. Zion wind of holy birth. Eternal blowing, never gone. Zion wind, keep it strong. Zion wind, from night to morn. Zion will forever born.
Zion win, strong and true. Carry blessing for me and you. Every whisper, holy sound. Zion win, all around. From age to age, from night to morn. Zion win, forever born.
Na 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 na. Zion Reggae, man.
Fill me soul, make the broken spirit whole. It calm the storm, it heal the pain. Zion peace forever reign. No Babylon can take away. Zion peace forever stay. Eternal blessing strong and true. Zion peace for me and you. Zion peace calm and wide. Everlasting holy tide. Every breath, every song. Zion peace forever strong. It bless the children, bless the meek. Zion peace all people seek. Forever holy, never cease. Zion peace, bring Jah peace. It soothe the heart, it heal the land. Zion peace, by Jah hand, forever shining bright and clear. Zion peace forever near. Me feel it flow in gentle breeze. Zion peace across the seas. No man stop it, no man bind. Zion peace for all mankind. It guide the youth, it guide the old. Zion peace more than gold. Forever holy, pure and wide. Zion peace, the holy tide. It's rise eternal, never gone. Zion peace forever strong. Forever flowing, pure and true. Zion peace carry you. It still the night, it calm the day. Zion peace, Yahweh, eternal blessing, strong and free. Zion peace, eternity. When the trumpet sound again, Zion peace still remain. Forever holy, never fall. Zion peace for one and all. From dawn of time till judgment day. Zion peace, Yahweh, eternal calm, eternal song. Zion peace forever long. Come strong, come deep. Zion peace me soul keep. No war, no hate can take away. Zion peace here to stay. Zion peace, calm and wide. Everlasting holy tide. Every breath, every song. Zion peace forever strong. From age to age, from night to dawn. Zion peace still carry on. Zion Reggae, yeah, man. High above the clouds so bright. Throne of Zion shine with light. Seat of justice, seat of peace. joy, remove the pain. From root to crown, from sea to star, throne of Zion guide so far. Every nation, every land, bow before the holy stand. We see the vision in me dream, throne of Zion bright and gleam. It says stay true, don't walk astray. Throne will guide you every day. It teach the heart, it teach the soul. Jah creation make us whole. It keep the love, it keep the light. Throne of Zion shining bright. When the dawn come round again, throne still stand above the plain. It never shake, it never fall. Throne of Jah command it all. From first chant till time is done. Throne forever, holy one. Seat of love, of peace, of flame. Throne eternal, praise Jah name. Stand firm, stand tall. Throne of Jah above it all. No crown of man, no earthly king. Throne of Zion, everything. Throne of Zion, high and grand. Rule the world with holy hand. Guide the people, keep them strong. Set the righteous path along. From dawn to dusk, from birth to end. Zion Raga, blow so free across the land. Wind of Jah by holy hand. Carry seed, it spread the song. Guide the people all along. Every gust a message true. Every breeze a voice for you. Wind of Zion whisper clear. Tell the world Jah spirit near. Wind of Jah blow far and wide. Lift the soul, no need fi hide. Carry love on wings unseen. Keep the heart forever clean. It move the tree, it shake the ground. It carry chanting sacred sound. It bring the rain, it cool the flame. Blow away the world of shame. No man control, no king restrain. Wind of Jah forever reign. From desert dust to ocean shore. Wind of love forevermore. It guide the ship across the tide. It lift the eagle high in pride. It move the cloud, it shift the sky. Tell the people never die. It speak true leaf, it sing true stone. Wind remind we not alone. Every breath it give to man. Gift eternal from Jah hand. Me stand and feel it on me skin. Hear the holy voice within. It says stay firm, don't lose your way. Wind will guide you night and day. It move the drum, it move the song. Carry chant the whole night long. No silence still, no chain can bind. Wind of Jah is free and kind. When the evening shadows grow, wind still whispers soft and low. It guard the child, it lift the old. Tell the tale of love retold. From birth to death, from rise to fall. Wind of Jah embrace us all. From start of time to endless years. Wind dry all the people tears. Blow high, blow strong. Wind of Jah forever long. No wall, no gate can stop the breeze. Wind of Jah bring soul at ease. Wind of Jah blow far and wide. Lift the soul, no need fi hide. Carry love on wings unseen. Keep the heart forever clean. From sky to land, from sea to shore. Wind of Jah forevermore. a shisha man. Early morning sunrise from me windowsill, burning herbs with peace. Jah love I feel, me soul awaken. No stress, no war, just birds are singing and a beat from afar. Me roll a spliff with reverence true. No Babylon, no chains, only sky so blue. I and I meditate on the hills of light, chanting blessings in a Zionite night. Roots and smoke, we rise and float. One love boat, Jah guide the road. Mystic fire in a chalice blaze. Rasta man living in eternal praise. From Kingston Bay to Mount Zion Gate, me chant na ya bingi, me nah go wait. Smoke rise high, me heart stay free. In a roots vibration, come chant with me. Me walk barefoot on the sacred ground. Nature whispering with every sound. I rhythm from me heart it play. Me not stray, just show me the way. Me sip coconut, me eat ital stew. Me spirit cleansed by the morning dew. With every puff me see clearer still. Me destiny guided by Jah will. Me not rich with gold, but me soul be strong. Me carry the wisdom of ancient slang. With dreadlocks swinging and eyes so bright, me chant for love and eternal light. Roots and smoke, we rise and float. One love boat, Jah guide the road. Mystic fire in a chalice blaze. Rasta man living in eternal praise. From Kingston Bay to Mount Zion Gate, me chant Nyaya Bingi, me nah go wait. Smoke rise high, me heart stay free. In a roots vibration, come chant with me. Hear the drums of Africa, they call me name. Ancestral spirits, they spark the flame. Me close me eyes, me fly away to Zion land, where peace I stay. No politics, no wicked plan. Only one Jah and the heart of man. Me reason deep with brethren true. Under stars with a cosmic view. Me meet a sister with a lion heart. She burn her herbs and play her part. She chants psalms and dance in grace, with sun upon her ancient face. Together we trod the rootsy lane, through reggae sound and gentle rain. Me build me house with bamboo strong, and every night we sing a song. Roots and smoke, we rise and float. One love boat, Jah guide the road. Mystic fire in a chalice blaze. Rasta man living in eternal praise. From Kingston Bay to Mount Zion Gate, me chant Nyaya Bingi, me nah go wait. Smoke rise high, me heart stay free. In a roots vibration, come chant with me. So light the fire, burn the sage. We free the mind, we turn the page. A life of love, no time for hate. Jah time divine, me nah be late. Zion echoes on the beat again. Rasta spirit never end. Play this tune on every show, and chant for peace forevermore. Rise, Zion roots. Oda. Healing vibes in the air. Herb at the bomb, take away me care. Rasta chant, jazz love declare. Healing vibes everywhere. The herb make me strong like a lion bold. Wisdom flow more precious than gold. Every puff a story told. Just love eternally can't get old. Bubba Kush and lemon haze, sacred smoke make the spirit raise. Meditation deep, me at a blaze. The herb are the key for brighter days. Healing vibes in the air. Herb are the balm, take away me care. Rasta chant, just love declare. Healing vibes everywhere. In the night when the stars shine bright, ganja bring peace, make the world feel right. The smoke a signal, a sacred light, guiding me soul through the darkest fight. From the roots of Zion to the city lane, herb unite, take away the pain. Babylon can't stop the love we've gained. Healing vibes forever remain. This ya herb a bridge for the soul, connecting hearts make the people whole. The message clear, it's jazz roll. Healing vibes forever the goal. Healing vibes in the air. Herb at the balm, take away me care. Rasta chant, jazz love declare. Healing vibes everywhere. From the chalice smoke to the drum beat strong, herb are the anthem of jazz song. Forever me chant, it can't be wrong. Healing vibes carry us along.
Session begins, Zion. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Me walk barefoot on the early dew. Me carry urban art so true. Me sip altal from coconut shell. Inna the hills where Jaja dwell. The breeze it whisper ancient lore of prophets chanting from before. Under the mango tree me sit, with wisdom leave me mind get lit. Roots and smoke, fire blaze high, lift me soul pan the mountain sky. Burn the chalice, cleanse the sight. Zion call me to the heights. The lion roar from deep within. Me chant psalms and shed me skin. No gold, no chain, just nature round. Rasta soul to earth is bound. Meditation in a misty morn. A higher life me now reborn. With every draw me spirit grow. In ganja fire me shoots overflow. Roots and smoke, fire blaze high. Lift me soul pan the mountain sky. Burn the chalice, cleanse the sight. Zion call me to the heights. Roots and smoke, fire blaze high. Lift me soul pan the mountain sky. chalice, cleanse the sight. Zion call me to the heights. No need for clock, no need for race. Me find me rhythm, me sacred place. Me plant the seed, me water will. Me life a prayer, me mind no dwell. Me dreadlocks swaying in the breeze. Me soul connected to the trees. Me hear the drums, me feel the beat. The earth it move beneath me feet. Smoke rise up in a sacred ring. Me reason with bird and every wing. Rasta way, no just a fad. It's how me live, and me give thanks to that. Zion I, me nah go fall. Rasta rise above them all. Peace and ganja, love and light. Me ride the rhythm deep in the night. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Deep in the night. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Deep in the night.
Aye, aye, aye. Smoke a spliff with Zion. Reggae, yeah, man.
Stand so tall upon the hill, tower God by just strong will. Beacon bright for all to see, symbol of eternity. Stone of faith and root of love, built by hand of God above. No storm can shake, no war can break. Tower strong for Zion's sake. Tower of Zion, high and free. Shine the light for you and me. Stand forever, never fall. Guide the people, one and all. It rise above this city wall, show the truth to great and small. It watch the night, it guard the day, keep the darkness far away. It tell the people, walk upright, stand for justice, shine your light. Tower, call the tribe to stay strong in faith, don't lose the way. It echoes sound of holy drum, tell the world the king will come. It keep the chant, it keep the fire, lift the spirit. the hills in gold and green. Me rock me crown, me soul feel clean. Jalo flowing in a rootsman stream. No need for riches or big car scene. Me carry truth like Ital cuisine. Me chalice bun with sacred flame. Every puff call out your name. Sacred smoke and sunshine glow. Reggae rhythm make I flow. No more worry, no more fight. Only love in the morning light. Meditation on a mountain high, with ganja cloud and open sky. Zion echoes a sound divine. Blessed be the urban time. Me walk barefoot through ancient sand. Wisdom carved in the lines of me hand. Each step a chant, each breath a prayer. Me no lost, Jah always there. From hills of Jamaica to African shore, reggae carry story from root to core. Me no need approval, me no need fame. Me rhythm, me fire, me sacred flame. Light it up, let it rise. Mystic smoke, reach the skies. Third eye open, wide and true. See the world in irie hue. Babylon try distract me view, but me focus on the real and new. One spliff, one rhythm, one soul fire. We chant till we lift higher and higher. Sacred smoke and sunshine glow. Reggae rhythm make I flow. No more worry, no more fight. Only love in the morning light. Meditation on a mountain high, with ganja cloud and open sky. Zion echoes a sound divine. Blessed be the urban time. Me sit with elders, learn the way. Ancient truths from back in the day. Chalice pass round like sacred book. Read by fire, not by look. Me nah judge, me nah hate. Me only plant seeds and wait. From meditation come vibration. From roots grow revelation. So sing with me, come chant again. In the hills, the forest, the urban terrain. Every soul a spark of Jah design. Every man can feel the divine. Smoke rise, mind fly. Rasta live, Rasta not die. So we give thanks for the herb delight, and the reggae that guide way through the night. Sacred smoke and sunshine bright, shine upon we day and night. Ital food and purest breath, guide we way from worldly death. Roots and culture, drum and sound,